The Farmer and the Gold. Once in a village, a rich man buried his gold in a field to keep it safe from thieves. Years passed by. The rich man died. One day, a poor farmer who owned the field was plowing it. While plowing, his plow hit something hard. At first, the farmer thought it to be a stone. But he was amazed to see a lump of gold there. He decided to carry the gold home at night, lest somebody should see him during the day. At night, the farmer tried to lift the gold, but it was too heavy. Then he tried to drag it, but it did not budge an inch. Then he sat down to think as to how to move the gold. He decided to break it into 4 parts. Then he could carry home one piece at a time. He did exactly that and carried the gold home easily. He lived a wealthy man. The King's Grey Hair. Long ago, people lived much longer than they do today. Once, a king was more than 1,000 years old. One day, he told the royal barber, "If you see any grey hair on my head, you must tell me immediately." The barber agreed. When the king was 1500 years old, the royal barber said, "I see one grey hair on your head." On hearing this, the king called his eldest son and made him the king. His ministers were surprised and asked him why he was retiring. The king held up the grey hair and said, "I have realized that this grey hair shows that death is approaching fast. I have wasted my precious life in seeking the pleasures of wealth and comfort. Now I will meditate and attain wisdom." He went into the forest and meditated hard. He became a great sage. The Priest's Revenge. A king had an orchard. Many monkeys used to live there. One day, the royal priest was passing through the orchard. A naughty monkey made fun of him. The priest got angry and vowed to take revenge on all the monkeys. The Monkey King got worried. He told the monkeys to leave the orchard as they were in danger. Many monkeys agreed and left, but a few stubborn ones did not leave. After many days, there was a fire in the royal stable. Many horses got injured in the fire. The king sought the royal priest's advice for a remedy. This was the priest's opportunity to take his revenge. He said to the king, "We can use monkey's fat to cure the injuries of the horses." The king gave order to kill all the monkeys living in the park and bring their fat. Thus, all those monkeys who had ignored the advice of their king died. The values of life. Once there was a rich man. But despite being rich, He always believed that happiness could be obtained by leading a good life. Money was not everything. He had a son. He wanted to teach his son the same thing. One day, his son, while playing, broke his toy. The son started crying. His father came and consoled him. Then he said to his son, "Do not cry over this broken toy. Things come and go in life, but the most important things in life are good health, truthfulness, and sincerity. Never give up these values ever in your life." The boy listened attentively to his father. He started leading a good life. When he grew up, he became very successful. He realized that his father's words were the reason behind his success.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.